Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest updated version of ESign and how to install IPA files on your iPhone and iPad without using a PC and without jailbreaking your device. And yes, this method supports iOS 15 all the way up to the latest, iOS 26.6, and it also works on iOS 27 beta devices. I'm personally testing this method on my iPad mini running iOS 26.6, and everything is working perfectly. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open Skibidi Tech website. I will add the website link in the pinned comment. Then hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibidi Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibidi Tech app. Now you will see different ESign links available there. You can use any one of them, but always try the top first one at start, as it's always the new and the updated one. Now simply hit on arrow down button in front of the top first link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. If one link don't work, try the next link to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad. Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust. And then hit Allow and restart to let the ESign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problem.
All this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna be.
Now hit on three dots on top, and then hit on Import option, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on the Apps option at bottom, and then hit on the imported IPA file. Then hit on Signature, and then hit on Signature again. Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And that's it, guys. This is currently the best updated ESign installation method for iOS devices. It supports iOS 15 to iOS 26.6 and iOS 27 beta as well. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Skibidi Tech, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.